This video will show you everything you need to know about Seven Sisters and what it looks like after the hurricane. Transportation. So you can take the bus, you can take a taxi, or you can take a car. Now your best bet if you don't want to take the buses is to take a car, because the taxis might end up costing you more money than just renting a car for the day. We went with the bus as it is the cheapest option, 15 Eastern Caribbean dollars round trip from CK's until Seven Sisters. Now you're going to take the number 1 bus up until the terminal in St. George's, and then you're going to take the number 6 to Seven Sisters. You are going to need to ask them to stop at Seven Sisters because they will just keep going until Granville if not. Entry. So to enter the park you have to pay $5 at the booth here. You don't need a guide as the trail is direct other than a little fork which both paths lead to the same place anyways. I guess it's definitely not that way, Jared says.
That is the right way.
With the water, so we're gonna go this way. So turn right when you get to the fork. Right, Jared? So we made it to the first 2 falls, and they were beautiful.
I knows what he's doing.
Do I? Alright. So we went up and around to the right side of the big waterfall to try and find more waterfalls, as it is called the Seven Sisters, so we're looking for the other sisters. The trail was quite steep, but luckily there was not too much mud, so it wasn't too slippery. After the trail, we started to head up the river, and eventually we found it. Now there may be more waterfalls yet up the river, but we walked a ways and couldn't find any more. And we looked everywhere, high and low.
Yeah!
We even asked the crayfish for help.
It's gonna have to be quicker than that.
So with no success, we headed back.
It's almost worth keeping your feet dry, because once your feet are wet,
You're not afraid of the water anymore.
there's really nothing to worry about, and you can just follow the water.
You know, or there's all this dry land.
It's the most worst thing out in the open air, because hiking in the water is just so much easier.
Wes,
You don't really need a guide, you just follow the river. Follow the river, it will never lead you wrong. So we're coming up to one of the sisters.
we're gonna go down on her. We're going down. He means climb down. He means climb down.
I think we're gonna tag team this one. So I'm thinking potentially all of the water slides, all of the falls are here and down. It seems almost like a point of no return here.
So after we returned back to the original waterfalls, we found that there were consecutive waterfalls right behind that first big one that we did not see. Now these might be the Seven Sisters, or they might be further up the trail. I don't know, but you have to hike a long way up the river if they are further up. So the hurricane had caused many landslides to fall into the river and other debris, which made it impossible to jump off of many of the waterfalls you once could. But we still had some fun. There's still hope that the landmark can restore itself with time.
Feel about the Seven Sisters? It's been a few years.
It's been a lot of years. It felt really great. The water's definitely cold, definitely not my thing. It's actually really good. I enjoy it. It would have been a lot better if we didn't have so much debris, but
Still good.